Hello, this is wmpyr. For today's lesson, we're going to be working on single stick, and a high angle attack is what we're going to be focusing on. So first, let's get some reps in with the high angle attack. All you do is you just bring the stick up here, and this is the angle that we want. From here, we're going to be striking down. So boom, just like that. Come back and boom. So just get some reps right here. Let's go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and just like that, keep going and get some good reps. Yes, it does telegraph. Yes, it is a big motion, but at the same time, it has power. So for that reason alone, it makes it a good technique to practice and have in your arsenal. So anyway, it's also very instinctive, right? So from here, instead of just coming straight up right here to set up for this strike, why don't we come over here and add a circle? Okay, so let's do that. Boom, and then just come back down, right? So 1, 2, 1, 2. So I'm coming over here and I'm doing a circle, this going backwards. Okay, so I make a backwards circle to wind up here, and then it comes back down. So it kind of helps me wind up to down, all right? So 1, and then 2, as you can see. 1, 2. So body mechanics wise, it makes sense, all right? And even if this circle isn't actually hitting anything, even if I'm not using it to actually strike, okay, it just not only does it give me that wind up, extra momentum, but also it changes the beat. Instead of just going 1, 2, 1, 2, it changes it, gives me a little bit a longer of a beat. So it changes the rhythm, okay? And then you come back into striking, because timing is extremely important in combat. So boom, okay, so you're gonna wind up and then come back down. What we can do is we can also boom, bam. I use the circle to wind up. I use the circle to wind down as well. So now it's a double circle included in the original motion. So right here's a circle, and then I make a circle up here and I come back down. Okay, so 1, 2, and strike. Okay, right here, here's my circle to wind up, and then I make a circle forward this time, a forward motion like this. I make a forward motion, and then I just continue the strike right there. So once again, 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, so this one, now I'm going to modify this and change it to, I come up here. Once I'm up here, instead of doing a circle, I'm going to do a figure 8. Bam. And then I finish like that. So without the circle up, okay, just to make it more basic, bring the stick up. So from here, I'm going to bring the stick here, here, into a figure 8 to close. Okay, so let's do that again. Up here, I'm going to start my figure 8 from the top. I make a diagonal motion this way, and then I make a diagonal motion going outwards, okay, and then I finish with a slash. So let's do that again. So up here, 1, 2, and 3. Again, 1, 2, more exaggerated, and 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. One more time, 1, 2, and 3. So now I could also combine that with the double circles that I'm doing. So over here, circle, circle forward, and then 1, 2, 3. Okay, again, circle up, circle forward, 1, 2, 3. See, circle up, circle down, 2, 3. All right. So the next one that I want to do is, instead of coming over here to do a circle up, we could actually do a figure 8 here as well. So this figure 8 comes from the bottom, like I'm drawing a sword out. 1, 2, and 3, and that takes me up here. So for now, let's just do a simple slash, okay, and just practice this bottom figure 8 part. 1, 2, 3. Takes me right up where I want to be, and slash down. 1, 2, 3, slash. 1, 2, 3, slash. 1, 2, 3, slash. All right, so of course now we can combine that. 1, 2, 3 up here. Now with a upwards figure 8 coming downwards. 1, 2, and 3. I mean a figure 8 from the high angle motion. So figure 8 from the bottom right here. 1, 2, 3, end up where I want to be. So from the high angle up here, a figure 8. 1, 2, 3. A downwards figure 8. So I complete with a figure 8 and a figure 8. So It's a very logical exercise, and it will add power and good body mechanics to you. So please practice. Thank you for watching, and take care, folks.